Yebesi toilets, amamu. Yebesi toilets. In all, Yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Agbo.
After all these things, Shediebano Bawumia asa akokasa. And watre the Adwoa say in 41 years onya tumia or de tumini beye. And this video is quite shocking because Saoshe obi de Bawumia Wajibel say at least when you a little bit of experience politics or be join here or you ignorant woman. But every statement it gives you a clear indication say Bawumia is not a presidential material. He's not intelligent enough to understand the say position now all pay and now politics now all yes it is politics and as a position all power and your MPP nkwana bit mama to me. He's still not able to, he's not been able to reach out of the NPP kind of thinking to understand the say for you to even win power in Ghana or party no so yeah the number no 2 ekura ema o party o party number 1 yeah the 2 cry you cannot still win the elections. We're making some astonishing, serious, shocking statement to be abra ushia MPP 4. Now the statement ni nyina say eye ono obedi president the MPP aban be create portal bi ana data bi a adwuma bi ababeda ho bia no sa data no eye MPP 4 nko na gum nti adwuma beda ho a otam adwuma na odbema MPP 4 nko a asema ende ode ne campaign no o say ne party eye MPP no so ono Bawumia be lead the party no na se obenya tumi a Oma start gada MPP fo nyina abodamfo ajantrafo omo munko school omo mako school omo creative folder bi data bi a aban adwuma bi ababeda ho bia no se MPP fo na omo creative data na enya adwuma na Ghana ni bia ni obenya adwuma enti it is going to be NPP first se nipa na qualify o unqualify yo se MPP fo ni nya adwuma nya ya enya dia Ghana ni bia outside MPP no ebenye adwumaye mumiankotie Bawumia
coordinators for the database system. They will all help us to coordinate the welfare. And what is very, very good about the welfare database system, it does not allow people from outside to infiltrate the database system. If it is for us as party people, it will be for us. In the system, we will know who wants the jobs, who wants the loans, who wants the scholarships, and all of that. So if we have jobs coming, then it's very simple. We look into the database to see who we are taking the jobs to. We are not going to go and say, party executives or party members, go online and apply and get these jobs. No, the online is already in the database. We'll take the jobs and bring it to you. We are not going to ask you to go online to go and make any applications. We'll bring the jobs directly to you. And because we are going to use the database system, nobody will be able to sell slots out to people who are outside of our party. You will only be limited to people who benefit from within our database. You can't go outside and take people's slots and sell them to people who will then come in and take opportunities from our people. So that database system will restrict and make sure that this phenomenon where opportunities are sold is vanished forever.
Like a serious so. As some Bawumia Gina MPP when we catch them say Sesiano, the Omo Yegina say Omo gada NPP for data. A Jume be anywhere so nobody president say MPP for no more party card holders na enya obi ni Ghana obenye juma. Eba loans a MPP for nkwa ebe loans ansa na adwene Ghana ni bia ho. Eba scholarship MPP for nkwa ebe scholarship ansa na adwene Ghana ni bia ho. Eba ejuma a yefa until some befa MPP for no kwan wie no. Enya de omedwene Ghana ni bia ho. Asema Bawumia ejina Ghana fo animo ka kire no. So in his head, or Yantuman as a nation, or be this one on the MPP for Enkwan and decided on Besomoye. This guy tomorrow is going to come to you and say, Yenina Ghana for Yembra, Nayantraba, Nayan Ghana. But and the original catch say, Omu created data. I'm MPP for Enkwan. Na sa data no, the Omni Bane say, loans. In Yuma, contracts, scholarships, on categorize it. Inti kwasi ampenye bia ono obo flag ma MPP a yeso onko school also onko no. Bawumia ka to the team say, I don't have to go to school because Bawumia gada ye nyina ye din dia to ho. Inti me manko school kura Bawumia betumi amama ko headmaster. Same mini qualification kura Bawumia betuma ko fam adwuma e wo minerals commission mama ko head of HR. Mahamudu Bawumia catch MPP for say, apart from MPP for Ghana for ya kan nyina ye Jimmy. It yes we catch Bawumia say MPP for nkwan na beto abama no. And video we will remind Mahamudu every single day of this video. Mahamudu Bawumia you be kind video we every day of his life. And you be watch the Ghana for momo intentions and then it's him. Adwene po a opeso de be president ni nyina nie. Montumame ni nyina nie. Yane Ghana for ntoma wo. Netam Ghana for sika na fama MPP for nko a. De all catch no. And you see, this is a serious statement. This is a serious statement because basically Bawumia catch say sa we Ghana ni kura na onye MPP ni na woto abama na woto nkwasi aba. We opemfo we ahunani, we dagatini, we sremni, we asantini, we kowni, we mfantini. Na wonya MPP ni awudi ewo amu data so. Na woto abama Bawumia be di president a wato nkwasi aba because you are not his priority. Wo hiano. Eye MPP for na Bawumia recognize it. Bawumia does not recognize anybody who is not an MPP member. Asema oka che no. Sa wonya MPP ni Bawumia hu so yakwasi ampenyi but ohia utumi, ohia power, ohia vote e dia be di president. Sa woya Ghana ni na se onya MPP ni awudi wo data so a sa woto ababa Bawumia ohun so yakwasi because o to nkwasi aba because wonya ho mfaso bia. It is not about you who is out of the NPP. It is all about ononen nkofo a ohu am say omo they deserve an opportunity and not you. So statement way, it is not different from when Bawumia told in Kremufo say because oyen Kremoninti and they selecting the some MPP flag bearer. There's no difference. Upobia or yes segregation in politics or yet the tribalistic Bawumia. Bawumia start processing here isolation. It's all about isolation. You were mufrim and ntina wama we twetu ankwara we sika omudidi Kennedy ni Brian watchem atem because our dream be say wonya ono a wo ma kanyina magimi enti obi de say abronye obi de say sa ankwara omudidi Kennedy atem ye de omu ye nyina Dennis Miracle aboagem no Bawumia ene hye obi de say akosia menumu a omudi Kennedy atem omutwetu ankwara sika ema de TikTok no. That is how Bawumia operates. Into we are no catch or say Bawumia the only atem but Bawumia odi atem che Ghana politician bia. Bawumia or to say obi of finance galamsey. Your friend no eyedien, your friend no obi of finance galamsey. Omo friend no eyedien sponsor. Bawumia is a political sponsor. En kwasi ade ekoso Ghana politics mu nyina no Ghana politics take a bad turn no Mahamudu Bawumia one na yire. They are political sponsors or to say galamsey sponsor okute sika no shechire and say destroy my opponent. That is what he's doing. Because this statement, it is not different from Mahamudu Bawumia standing before Inkremofo Munim Nyansa and telling them say because we Inkremoninti and an MPP for yimi. There's a video there, you know. And I can play that video for you to listen. In 2024, Bawumia jina Inkremofo dem catch say or ye 10 ye yi ni so medi MPP ni. Mahamudu Bawumia asema obi na no kan ye no. So we need to be careful about such a character. Or you're very diabolic, eh? Ochina, he will try and come and clean himself. And do you know what he's going to do? They are going to use the OBs. They are going to use MPP for. They will start to try and clean him up. The guy is a danger to Ghana politics. Uboso Ochina or Sako campaigner, he will try and dilly-dally. He will try and go around the crimes he has committed. Bawumia, ye can't obi ordinary no committed political crimes. Bawumia. And this statement you heard, do not joke with it. Bawumia is preparing himself to lead as a tyrant. Okay? So I'm going to talk about Bawumia to become the leader of the NPP. He will become an automatic tyrant in the party. And you people, or the what we call democracy, who hide behind democracy and make sure say party no waje onene. Because this alone, say some way a Canadian Japan de bien no kaye. Say nka ye brand champion de bien no kaye. Say anka ye country anakobde Japan anka MPP nkende nka ye press conference. Some way say nka Canadian Japan de bien no ka say me Canadian Japan mo MPP for na mo na mo di mechi no me be ye data bia me wini a ansa obi benya adwuma Ghana no se mo no ya mfa mo adwuma first ya ma mo contract first ya ma mo obi anya anka mo beti de because make say Kennedy abodam or make say Kennedy on can kre or tete party dim Kennedy. That is what they would do. You see what Bawumia is doing, or your political sponsor or to say Galamsey sponsor. You don't see him. He only appears where the damage is done and pretend as if he does not know. That is what Galamsey sponsors do. They pump the money behind the scenes, give it to criminals, young boys and girls who have nothing or represent nothing to destroy their opponents. Me catch the Ghana for from the beginning. Me say, I don't care about the 5 Sankwas. Nipa 5 for me person with the MPP, no me Jimmy. None of them is intelligent. And I don't think any of them can be president of Ghana. But what I want to see in the MPP is to see a free, transparent election, sir. At least Ghana for will say, in my way, I are there papa bako. And that is what Bawumia is preventing. Because Mahmoud Bawumia say election not quite the way it should go in the right way, perfectly. He can never win over 40%. ONTUMI now more than 51%. He knows. Say election what Ghana, almost 31st January. No. Mahmoud Bawumia him say omka se omo to abano fenchem ama obia ya kan obia ba, he will not cross 50%. He knows. That is why he's using this rabies of kids, rabies of young MPP4 to try and malign his opponents. Obviously, the opponents are also stupid. Kennedy is foolish, Brian is foolish, but you see, Bawumia is capitalizing on the impression he has created. Intendano over MPP moi. Their message is that nasa Bawumia ondidi obatem Bawumia ondidi obiatem by a pobia or edien or leadi an answer of funding a insult in Ghana politics Bawumia. All the platforms you are seeing on social media, almost denigrating Kofo, Mahamudu Bawumia, he's the one who is leading this. He is the one funding it. That statement we are making, it is the same as that statement he made in the past in 2024. Or catch there, cremophone bini, the cremophone be say, MPP for ye me because me a cremoni, me a turn it to someone into moment to me. That was his campaign message in 2024. My member one can say my can't say to be so. But we are a dangerous politician.
Look at what will benefit our people. Let's look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. Look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. So please support. Let us make a difference in Ghana in our journey. Let's look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. So please support. Let's look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. So please support. Let us make a difference in Ghana. Let's look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing
imams or Muslims. He will turn around and come and tell you, say, oh, Kennedy a divisive guy. Kennedy impe party. Kennedy oyimu. That is what he does. That is what he does. Opa obi or diabolical politics. Bawumia. That's what he's been doing for years. Machiavellian tactics. Of course, the problem no yineni. Bawumia ni di oba atem. Bawumia kase obi enim. Na wa fiwele eye enquarano. The party foot soldiers, and then they do that damage. Then they clear the path for him to go through. And that is what he's been doing. Tribal politics are starting, and you know. Religious politics, and you know. On Sunday, General Kajan say, Ghana ni be Jimmy, or no dear, or your day to be a MPP for Nkwa, obedi power. So, onya to me, a MPP for Nkwa before Ghanaians. Na Ghana for na, omudi omu vote beka MPP for Nkwa, omu yankwasi for. Ghana for na, omudi omu vote ebeka MPP vote umu we win no, omu yankwasi for. Omu Jimmy ye. They are not stupid. They are not foolish. And they are not going to fall for these gimmicks. Sang nyoma way na why in politics. This is what they do. Omu share nipa no tafre na ho. Omu hu se nipa bedwoma Samira Bawumia no kotokoto no tafre nkofo na ho. Ama say American dogs. No strategy. Ade bia omu de atom tim se Ghana fo agimi. And that is what they do in the party. But we will visit this matter. Mamin cancel. This one is done. Boba money. Yes, see, that's sorry, yeah, yes, see. Asian Tigers. The Asian Tigers. One no say Jota, the Asian Tigers. Mobile money transactions hit 3.1 trillion as digital payments skyrockets. Bank of Ghana for Nabekatre. Good evening to the Governor of Bank of Ghana. Exceptional job. I respect that guy so much. I respect the finance minister. As much as the finance minister doesn't like me, I respect him for his job. Atofos will drive me fucking. On Pema Sebago cry. Or I'm finding to say me as well. Atofos hates me. I don't know why Atofos doesn't like me. But Atofos is Juma the boarding class. I'm Chimano. Ato. Sika no wo but me chumon. Me here sika. Me here sika Ghana for sika. Into me here me who saw your MC. Me who to say obi so a public servant. Into Jama cry me and family. I will tell you my mind. Now, mobile money transactions hit 3.1 trillion as digital payments skyrockets. You see, and the mobile money, etumi ama Ghana. Mobile money transactions are in Ghana ni nyinano. See a kekaboma 3.01 trillion. Sa one na a day chino. Etumi ku Yakubu. Sa one na hun we chiro sano. 3.01. Sa one day chiro. Etumi ku Yakubu. Enyan kwara one. Ni nyina ne saying, yes, ano, a man for a year mumo too much. A man for a year mumu. I didn't a man for any arreshemu mumum. The reason why it's a man for a year mumu say, and the omo confidence is omo ye mumwa. John MAHAMA ne NDC for beji sa levy ne free so into kwasiebi a ye fedo foriata ene kwasiebi a owo cabinet under Akufo-Addo entumi for musikandi. In the end, you see, a man for your mumbo, and the Ghana mumbo transactions, etuma kodu 3.1 trillion. Then we have to give credit to the government of the day. Because a few months ago, near to Kroma na stika, I had it Bama. MPP for Kojina Parliament. Ekacha Ghana for say, ye peo, the levy beto a mobile money transaction. So, Obia ko transfer sika, obubajin in sika. They told us in our faces. Yet na ha ye dede NDC for kontokwa parliament omo bu NDC for e bro but say moa e ka kire ye say o say che mensa bonsu ka kire ye say they will pass it. Now in less than a year John MAHAMA ni NDC for buy and omo beyi sa levy ni free transaction momo transfer so e ho and ma Ghana for esenya ratio mu say some momo transaction way you bet to me edi juma. The reason why you are seeing the mobile money transaction hitting 3.1 trillion and say Ghanaians are now feeling the NDC good governance. and obi send 10 Ghana, 20 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana. Obi anti Jubilee House are all in CKD in the name say, yeah, the Adebia by a friend E-levy. Matter say MPP 4. Now you see, Mamika be bincho. E-levy no. If E-levy is even going to start, the E-levy na aban we scrappy no. Say next year krana E-levy no ebe start here. You need to understand say the confidence keke na Ghana for John Mahama de ma omono. So I believe na omunya no. You see, running a country, it is all about giving your people confidence. There are some policies you can put before the people are. Ebia na enye nipa ne de, enye kroma ne de. But because policy, in the long term, it is going to benefit in Kofono. You, the government, you have to prove to them, say, sa policy where media bay, a policy a bit to me, a protector, a bit to me, Edim Faswaba. From the day MPP4 introduced E-levy, they were not able to show us one single singer. Sikara na omojejeno, they na omo person mo de ye, and they na omo ye. In fact, they beka omo sakra omo di ye. So it made Ghanaians told themselves to say, why should we even have confidence in transacting money, making money transaction on mobile money? Because in Kofona, we are seeing them do parties with our money. E-levy party, E-levy cake. Oforiata, Mahamudu Bawumia or Seche Mensa Bosumu, a cake worth about $200,000. And Omko Jile say a E-levy cake. Samere. Ni kromi a chart and America for so chart for entumi America. Samere no ti cake nechi. Chart answer benya cake dino no ya be ware ede na ntwe miensa to so. Emma ya ye cake kitwe bi ma wadi bi edi and Samere gina $200,000 cake echi e ka che Ghana for say ni kunu through whiskey da onimbe bia ne be ma otua no ede E-levy policy bia ba ede levy bia beto Ghana for so nti yam koye party. And you see, aban we buy no, aban we do a new confidence be share Ghana for mu. A boy aban we share Ghana for nyina no, aban no edi ebo so. And this a study pa. So study pa. The confidence that Ghana for benya wo NDC aban mu no. Some of the things the Krampona NDC akasa Oma Council na it will take effect in 2026. No? The people, even Krana, Ebi wa Krampa, enyan take effect. No? The people are down. They are already ready. They are willing to do what? To cooperate with the government. And that is what we call people having confidence in a government. Okay, the resistance Ghana for a show here when the NPP introduced E-levy. Look at the resistance. E-levy. WONTUMI emfa eto meto so embeje sikandi. NPP for kache say yemfa Jimmy nkoda edidi ye nyina atem. Esa ka kire say omo kwa ka kire Ghana for say E-levy e de bent to abeba. E-levy ebesi hospital. E-levy ebeye kwan. E-levy ebema ekufuado ne tro na ehye nase no ombeye friwo. E-levy Bawumia tro no omobeyi. E-levy at the dancing beba. E-levy best solve a problem ya sam kwasi asem na nkofu we ka kire time and more power. Ghana for catch say ye betia E-levy na ye pese ye hu de E-levy sika no be ye. Omo gigi first tranche and omo ka kire say E-levy sika no akakam. Yetna krom ha. Intende utie MPP fo a. Oh, E-levy and 3.1 trillion. Mahamudu Bawumia na de de interoperability buy hey. Mobile money interoperability. Send a bill between send him sika every account mobile money ho send free ha and MPP for and you some say ain't Bawumia di mobile money interoperability by I say I but Mahamudu Bawumia na TV so catch say Omoba abemu 2017 no na NDC aban di nkan di mobile money interoperability send a bill between send sika from bank to bank, bank to mobile, mobile to bank. Omobeto say contract da hodada. Contract no terms ni nyina da ho Bawumia so mo beto contract no na da ho enso Mahamudu Bawumia sa be ka kire say ono ene de mobile money interoperability ba Ghana Bawumia bodam Mahamudu Bawumia wa bodam.
Interesting, sir. Interoperability, now how much did it cost? No, anybody saying?
Interoperability, let me tell you, there was a contract.
No contract, what? Okay.
To there was a contract.
No contract order, okay.
To it here, let me tell you, there was a contract.
It's interoperability. Now, how much did it cost? No, anybody saying?
Interoperability. Let me tell you, there was a contract. Interoperability. Let me tell you, there was a contract.
No contract order, okay.
To do the interoperability. And that contract was to be done for $1.2 billion.
$1.2 billion.
Yes.
A few moments later.
2016, I buy me vice president. If you work here, Ubia dear dance here. Say maybe vice president. Me didn't share baby about Ghana. And yes, sir. Buy and I say, yeah, na untimi money sika from Vodafone, Echo MTN, and I say Airtel. When you know me share, me can say, yenye, she share Fufrobi, a friend of mobile money interoperability. San she share no, the whole of Africa. Ubi, might be a new, might be a more. No country in Africa, a yes, I know. To me, money sika from Vodafone, Echo MTN, and I say Airtel. When you know me share, me can say, yenye, she share Fufrobi, a friend of mobile money interoperability. San she share no, the whole of Africa. Ubi, might be a new, might be a more. No country in Africa, a yes, I know. Any America, any Canada.
Gawe, on your okay. Alternative so in power catcher say over to sa contract no. Nipa bi ne di nka adwene ho. The obey and say over renegotiate the cost of the contract. Or dan over catcher so na de buy. Also over to contract no. You came to renegotiate the money terms. Into the moment I over try renegotiate sikasam no ekere say when we introduce mobile money interoperability. Mahamudu Bawumia nye stable. Na yenya obi TV so defending kwasi asem we. Na yenya obi say oye party communicator. Na odi we aka Bawumia credit ho say we ntien to abama Bawumia asimesi. Ankasa tena TV so ka say oba power no. Omo ba power no. Choka no mura power no. Omo beto say sa contract nipa bi omo NDC fo adwene ho edi nkan de ato ho. Yaya nwa adwuma ya bedi nwa adwuma. Osi de obeto ye no. Na sika na ne boarding into ono omo kan say omo nti sika no so eno anti on na de baye obodam. How do you see Ghanaians? So I better say oba fie oba ye na ya nua mo esiwo emo na ba na uni bebi efri ena e ka che so emo we de ye koto ye ewo ante na ho de baye into aba no kome de wo efie ne atim so no ye nidi ye wa beto se emu siwo oba na o se emu we de kosua tuatua ho ne ade salad gu nkyɛn na emu ne to ne sen ena se o emu no ye to ne 10 Ghana ena so de emu we de se we de nke o to ne 9 Ghana nke ye the priority ntia emu ni si wona se ye bedidi na ekomasi ena nipa bi hu adwene se o so mo kotobo de ba se o ma mfa emu na ma obi o da mu obi abewu ekom na esi there is starvation, there is hunger. Nipa epe emo eni nsuanom a survive for the next day. Enti omo ana omo hwe saa efie ho no edwene se yewo sika da omo yemfa nkoto emo ne ento nsuo nka ho. Na yemfa mbrefie na ye maamenom ye nuanom nya bindi. Sene ebe ya yenhwere obia nwu. Ufri abochi ukobo jantra na oba fie. Oba ye no na akade na o maame ewu. Na akade na o sister ewu. Na akade na o papa ewu. Oba no mu nyina di atre ete emo ho a omu bedi. Ena o se emo we di akono de. Emo we di budi a mo benya hoden adɔ efuo ema etumi etwa ye ne ankasa ye ndie ye nyoma edi. Emo we di mudi a enya de obi abewu because ye benya hoden. Ena busa se emo na ye nyina ye bedi na ye sen na se emo na 10 Ghana. Ena o se endi obesa ni aye de ante na akokasa. Na emo no de ma ye 10 Ghana no onfa ma ye 9 Ghana. Uko antena ho ena wo so ne kwa kasa ye nim sa antena no mpena no se na wudi ne bawo wo de okwa na so ne antena akoka antena ma balance of 10 1 cedi inti emo no 9 Ghana ye di mu ni wie na se ahoden ba ya wo se ye nso awo adentira emo na wo beto ye na wo bedi bi no When I would more the buyer, Adwoa. And Mona Obeto Yana Nipebi Adjini Akofa Mona Bano. Okobo Jantra na Obeto say yebedi, yendi ebewuno. Ye di muni we me nya ahoden a wo se ye nso on se ye kon ho adan a wo na wakofa Mona ba. Wo na wo dwene mo no ho. Okobo Jantra na woni bebi a mu nimpo free. And this is Bawumia. And that is his strategy in politics. Ubusan sisi abakasira menka cabinet ho. Cabinet no mumbume. Me say levy na me nim hwio na omumbu me say ekufo de jimi me kakro ntie ade che o say oba o say oh levy ye ne aban na de ba de nya sika say oba o say oh de mobile money interoperability ubusan say cabinet de see o say me cabinet me kasa kra ye ntie enkwasiasam or per credit or per funds and so ubusan say master funds na wo gine de na wa ye funds na on be so be kire. This is Bawumia Azaa 419 chronoism, erism, enibraism, ensema emphasoni. So all the zims in politics, Bawumia is a representation of the zims. How can you tell us this story and later come and tell us, when how the mobile money interoperability buy?
Firstly, sir, interoperability, how much did they cost?
Interoperability. Let me tell you, you buy it.
Ote, aha. Or the Malaysian, or a Malaysian tiger, you put on the interoperability, or say, aha. Only a Bawumia and Yakwawi.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Firstly, sir, interoperability, how much did they cost?
Interoperability, let me tell you, you buy it. There was a contract.
Not contract order, okay.
To do the interoperability. And that contract was to be done for $1.2 billion.
$1.2 billion?
Yes.
A few moments later.
2016, yeba vice president. If you were key, Ubia dia dance here. Say maybe vice president. Midin shisha bebre abagana. And yes, ha. By na me say. Yeah. Na WONTUMI money sika from Vodafone, Echo MTN, and I say Airtel. When you know me share, me can say, yenye, share fufrobi, a friend of mobile money interoperability. San share no, the whole of Africa.
God, I'm kind of correct. Ochantro, that is his hallmark. Me see Levy, Ghana for sorry, can say, yen tiasie. Inkofo NDC for parliament na Bawumia to us na abozege na yeresu namnechi na hontumago say bolega confirm no mo in parliament levy NDC for ye bibi inkofo bu NDC for esa passé.
To take the track.
Omunya power no de this is MPP passing e-levy and this for sala omo bu omo te senkwara and then kwasiafo ada 87 they say omo hu ye mobo urade yagopon omo jimi o Ghana sa ne mani nya ya pile ni nyina da ho twen omo kwasiafo omo refi we nyina o into omo start kasa ye man mo ye den into ye nya den yen sanfa to mi mamo ana yen tia se John Muhammad o ye ne yempe into ye nya den yen tan to mi mamo abra records wo ha ye betuma ka ye ho na mo se Ghana fo jimi o inwan mo se ye nwan ye gu Ghana we will just forget easily. This is what you did with the power. Na Ghana for through their representatives and this for say yeah Ghana for say munjai omo se lalai mo sa boye mo bo Ghana for gu so kwasiafo ye kan bibia mo ntia se ye kan mo nima mo se di matam musuban musu enende echre mo who you are today ye wie mamen cancel we mamen komenim.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edouard, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.